Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to the hair salon. I wanted to take you guys with me. As you can see, my hair is all dry. Probably got some split ends, I don't know. But I try to do this at least once a year. So it is time to go ahead and get my trim. So hopefully I'll get a few little clips. I can show you guys my salon visits. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I am down in Vegas at the Heritage Salon. We have to find people who can actually do our hair. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, we're about to go in, get all fixed up, and I'll keep you guys posted.
truth I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement.
Hey you guys, so I wanted to jump on and give you guys the final look from my salon visit. I didn't get a chance to like film the final look. I got home late last night, but this is after I already slept on it all night. I didn't even sleep with a bonnet, so this is the final look. Let me give you guys a little close up of those curls. And that bounce. And guys, even though these curls are like shrunken, trust me, the shrinkage is real, but that length is there. It's all coiled up. I didn't want to fluff too much because you guys know I get really nervous when I gotta fluff too much because I don't want to lose the definition. I want this to last me as long as I can keep it. She actually said that it can last me 2 to 3 weeks. I'm like, what? Say what? So I'm gonna try to preserve it as much as possible, and part of that is gonna just mean letting it be. All I did was put a little oil. You guys know the routine. Put a little oil on my fingers, fluff, fluff, fluff. I raise it up just a little bit, but not too much. But these, you see those curls though? Like, I could never. This is how my hair turned out. This is the first time I've had like a full rod set, no twist or nothing. I usually do like a twist and curl. I don't trust myself to like rod it all the way up. So this is actually my first time. I'm glad that I asked her to do this for me. My hair feels so soft. I don't even know. I know she used one of the Design Essentials mousse. I forgot which one. I'm gonna look them up so I can link which one it was that she used. I'm not sure what leave-in or anything, but yeah, I just wanted to share my yearly salon visit. I honestly want to go to her more frequently, but again, she is in Las Vegas, and I don't always go to Vegas. It's like a full day to do it. So, but I'm glad I went. She's amazing. But yeah, I'm just happy with it. You guys know I love this like short look. You know, I had to pull out the hoop earrings and all that, you know. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick look of what it looks like before I mess it up. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed going to the salon with me. If you're a natural, it's really nice just to go to the salon every once in a while. So even if you don't do it seasonally, like I know most naturals recommend like you get a trim and stuff every like 4 months, but at least once a year, go to the salon, get a little trim, get a little treatment, have them just do their magic on you. So I didn't really have a lot of split ends, but she did say I'm having a little bit of breakage in the front. I think that results from me always putting my hair up. So I'm probably going to take a break from that, just release a little bit of the tension. Styles like this that just let it be free. Let your hair be free. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. So again, thanks to Stephanie from Hairitage in Las Vegas, Hair by Stephanie, for getting me together. I just love going to see her and get that little magic touch. I think from now on, I'm just gonna go to her for these rods, because whenever I want a rod set, I'm just gonna hit her color up, but a little bounce is there. Okay, I'll see a little bounce. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.